This is the orange list. Number 1, mixes. My dad mixes ketchup and mustard and puts it on his hot dog. Mixes. Number 2 is kisses. My dog covers me with kisses when I get home after school. Number 3 is gloves. I put on my gloves before I went outside. Number 4 is brushes. Her mom brushes her hair before school. Number 5 is changes. I saw changes in the tree as the seasons went from one to the next. Changes. Number 6 is places. We need to stop at 3 places before we go home. Number 7 is foxes. There were 2 foxes sleeping in the den. Number 8 is horses. We put saddles on the horses so people could ride them. Number 9 is dates. There are 2 dates on the calendar that have been marked for assemblies. Number 10 is beaches. We visited 3 beaches on our vacation.